How to open an old Indian padlock that has two keys but no keyholes. You have to take a closer look at it and find those keyholes. But at the first glance, there are no keyholes here. These flowers are just for decorative use. They don't hide any keyholes. There is a tiny hole right here, but you can't even stick the key inside, so you have to find another way. And the other way is quite interesting. All we have to do is grab the bottom part of the lock and unscrew it. I like how it makes this bell sound. And here you will find the first keyhole. You put the key and open it, but that's not it. You have to grab another key, put in the second keyhole, and then you will be able to open the padlock.